Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can share referral links with your friends and colleagues so that you can get Sessions Health for free. How do you do that? Well, if you go to Account Settings, and then up here where the tabs are, you click on the billing link where your Sessions Health invoices show up. And you'll see this section right here for referral link. And this referral link, if you share it on social media or email it to people and they click this link to sign up, you each have a chance to get free service. And how that works is you send the link, someone signs up, they're going to get a 30-day free trial, which is what we give to everyone. And if they decide to commit to Sessions Health and use our EHR, when they pay their first invoice, both you and your referral are going to get a free month of the base product price. So you can see here this available credit of $39. This is someone who they referred someone, they paid their first invoice, and then each person got a credit for $39. That's our current price for our base subscription plan. That gets applied to their account. And then when their next invoice is due, this is going to automatically get applied to that invoice. And so you can just click this copy link right here, and that copies the link to your clipboard. And then if you're in your Facebook group or want to email your listserv or any kind of email anyone that you think Sessions Health is a good fit for, that's what you do. Copy the link and paste it and send it out. And then anyone who comes through this link, you will get credit for that referral. And hopefully both of you will get a free month of your base plan covered. That concludes the tutorial on getting referral credits at sessionshealth.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.